Okay, so in a number of my recipes, I've used roasted peppers. Now you can buy roasted peppers in the store, but they're easy enough to just make them at home. What you want to do is you want to make sure you get nice square peppers. They'll be easier to cook evenly if you've got four sides and you can just kind of flip them over as you go. You want to put them in under a high broil and get them as close as possible as you can to the coils, because I'm going to want to blacken these skins, and it'll impart a lot of flavor, sort of make them smoky, and they'll be easy to peel the skins off. So you do have to pay attention. You don't want to ignore them because they can quickly just burn. All right, so we're going to let those first side blacken, and then we'll come back. Okay, so we're ready to take them out from the first side. Let's grab these out of here. And you'll see what I mean. They are completely black on that side. So now I want to flip them over, and I want to put them back in and do the other three sides. So we'll go ahead and do that now, and I will come back to you when all four sides are done. See you then. Okay, all four sides are done and it's ready to take them out. I'll grab them here, and you can see, right, all four sides nice and black. So they are ready to go. Now the last thing I'm going to do with them is I'm going to put them in a plastic bag. And the reason is that'll help them finish cooking. Now the first side took probably about, in my broiler at that distance, took about 3 minutes or so. The other sides took less. The entire process took about 10. And then I stick them in this bag, and what will happen here is they'll steam in there and they'll finish cooking all the way through. They'll have nice soft flesh and a very smoky tasting pepper. So let's come back and I will show you how they finish. All right, so they're all cooled down now, ready to go. You can see I've got the skin comes right off. Look at that. We just take that right off. I mean, they're not completely cooled down. They're still somewhat warm, but that's okay. All right, peel that one off, peel this one off. Now, by charring the skin that way, I get a nice smoky flavor in the pepper. So take the skin off, just like that. Pop out the stem, open it up, open them up, dump out the seeds, just like that. Take those out. I'm going to break them up, piece, piece, piece. Now I could use this just the way it is. All right, I could just go right now and say, okay, if I'm ready to do my recipe that has the roasted pepper in it, I can go ahead and start with that. I like to have some of these around. To be honest, they're tasty. You can use them in various things later, or you can just have them along with your bread and cheese or whatever. So what I like to do with them is I'll take them out, I'll put them in a container like this, put in a little bit of garlic, another layer like that, a little more garlic, try to get it packed down in there, put in a little more, like so, and get that in there, you don't have to worry about getting all the seeds out, just, you get most of the stuff out like that. Make sure you get all the skin out. That stuff's not particularly tasty. Put that in here. All right, got that all in there like that, and then I'm gonna put olive oil. There you go. Just like that. And you let them go at least overnight. They'll get that nice garlic flavor, the olive oil flavor in them. Like I said, you can use them in recipes at that point, or you can just serve them along with something else you're going to eat on a plate. So that's it. That's roasted peppers. Not that hard. Hope you'll give it a shot. And by the way, they will last a while, but you pretty much got to use them within about 2 weeks. You'll start to get start to ferment a little, and they'll also start to get maybe a little bit moldy. So have fun, and I'll see you next time.